Hey, Ray, this is Alex Merced, Senior Evangelist here at Dremio, here to tell you about what are Dremio's reflections. Dremio's reflections are the secret sauce in the Dremio Lakehouse platform, allowing you to have query acceleration that addresses sort of two problems. One, the work that it usually takes to have query acceleration, because usually with things like materialized views, BI extracts, and cubes, there's oftentimes a lot of maintenance and a lot of work on the data engineer side and on the data analyst side to actually use these features, but also making sure that you have acceleration that is agnostic to the client. So that way, if you have two different teams using two different BI tools, well, they can both take advantage of the same acceleration instead of recreating the same acceleration in each tool. So what Dremio's Reflections does, it allows you to create materializations, but Dremio manages those materializations and they're done at the engine level, so that way any client tool that communicates with Dremio is able to see those queries transparently substituted to use those materializations. So bottom line is your analysts wouldn't even be aware that you're using this feature. They're just going to notice that their queries are a lot faster. And now we have things like incremental reflections, where these materializations can be updated incrementally, keeping them fresher, faster. And our reflections recommender that will monitor the kind of queries that your Dremio cluster is running and be able to recommend you which reflections to create that's going to save you the most amount of time on your queries and also save you the most amount of money for that acceleration dollar. So that's what Dremio's reflections are. They are an amazing feature and a really unique proposition here with the Dremio Lakehouse platform. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one.